and that phrasal verb is slip up. Let me just write that up on the screen. Slip up. Make it bigger. Slip up. Slip up means to make mistakes, especially because you're being careless or not paying attention. So let's play around with that for a minute. Lucy, let me see. Here's a sentence. Lucy was working on a report, but she made some mistakes because she was distracted by music that she was listening to. Okay, instead of saying all of that, we can say Lucy slipped up. Lucy slipped up because she was distracted. That means Lucy made mistakes because she was distracted. If you want to name the thing that where she made the mistakes, you have to use the preposition on. So you would say she slipped up on the report. And that means she made mistakes on the report because she wasn't paying attention. She was being careless. She slipped up on the report because she was distracted by music. Let's change one word. Let's replace something with the conversation. Where would be the best place to put that? She slipped up on the report because she was distracted by the conversation. She slipped up on the report because she was distracted by the conversation. Let's change something else. Let's use the word presentation, the presentation. So where can we put that? We can change something out with that, the presentation. She slipped up on the presentation because she was distracted by the conversation. So she was giving a presentation, but there were some people talking, and she was distracted by that, and she made some mistakes. She slipped up on the presentation because she was distracted by the conversation. Let's change another word. Here's a verb that maybe you probably don't know this verb. She engrossed. Engrossed means that you're paying very close attention to it. It's very interesting to you, so you're listening very carefully, or you're watching very carefully. Engrossed. Where can we put that in our sentence? She slipped up on the presentation because she was engrossed in the conversation. So we're changing the preposition by the conversation to in the conversation. She was engrossed in the conversation. She slipped up on the presentation because she was engrossed in the conversation. Okay, let's move on to another expression.